I have a question for you. How would you make this picture better? I took this the other day when there was a real misty evening and the sun was setting, and I really only had my iPhone with me. And I thought, well, I'll just sort of place the sun in between these power lines and see what we could do. And the shot turned out okay, but I feel it could be better. So what I'm going to do in Lightroom CC is give you a little example of what I would do to make this picture better. The first thing I see is I really don't like the sort of muddy yellowishness of the picture. So what I'm going to do is increase the temperature on the blue side to make it appear sort of like a moon. I'm going to change the sun to the moon. And I think that looks good. You can also adjust the saturation if you feel that you need to. Now this is in the color section of Lightroom CC. And this is the 2018 version. It's not the classic version, by the way. Now the next thing is, what do you do about composition? Well, there are a lot of sort of established rules of composition and then rules that sort of are a little bit flexible. However, in a situation like this, you either have the opportunity to put the moon or the sun on a sort of a converging line, whether it be the vertical or the horizontal on the left or the right. But for me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place now that's the moon, on the lower third horizontal line. Okay? So I'm going to tap that to accept it. Now, of course, you can certainly and very effectively place the moon on a intersecting point like this. And that would be really cool as well. Both of them I think would work perfectly good. However, I kind of like the way that this part of it's sort of like a frayed part of the wire. It sort of breaks up the scene, and it provides almost a secondary element. So what we're going to do is bring the crop back and accept this crop, and there we go. And I feel that the minimalist aspect of this picture doesn't require any more editing, and I like it the way it is. Please tell me in the comment section below if you would have changed anything at all, and yeah, and actually I'll probably take your advice, because there's so many different things that you could do with this photo. Because it is so minimal, you can adjust it any way you like. So please add your comments below.